When you're finishing small projects like this, it's a good idea to keep them propped up so that the finish doesn't end up gluing the project to your work surface. One solution is a commercially available finishing point like this. It's got a wide base and a fine point so that you can use a set of them to hold up your workpiece. But to be honest, I'm cheap and lazy, so I'm always looking for solutions that are free and easy. And one day, I was taking the cap off my glue bottle to get the last drop of glue and realized that the cap has a wide base and a fine point, and they can be used to prop up the work surface. So now I save all the caps and use them as my finishing points. How's that for cheap and easy?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tip, subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Every week we're adding new tips and great woodworking videos. So hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.